in high-risk areas like chemical plants, offshore oil fields, and ports. If hazards aren't warned about in time, that's the biggest safety risk. J&R Technology presents the all-new Drex Industrial Explosion-Proof Audible and Visual Warning Series, offering everything from single warning light to multi-color stacked set, creating a comprehensive safety protection system for color-independent control. Functions can be customized as needed. Each light has independent power control, and it adapts to different levels of emergency warnings. Multiple lighting modes, suitable for inspection, leakage, equipment failure, and emergency evacuation warning scenarios. Special explosion-proof structured design can operate stably in flammable and explosive hazardous areas, avoiding electrical ignition risks. IP66 waterproof and dustproof. It can keep running even in sea breezes, factory dust, or under spraying water. Modular design makes it quick and easy to assemble or disassemble, saving time and effort for routine maintenance and greatly reducing long-term operating costs. Unlike ordinary civilian warning lights, this industrial-grade explosion-proof product is optimized for high-risk industrial environments in terms of both structural protection and environmental adaptability. It can not only help prevent safety accidents in advance, but also meet the standardized safety upgrade requirements of factory areas and cover multiple scenarios. Whether it's oil and chemicals, energy, or offshore drilling platforms, it's still things like refineries, mining, and other harsh working conditions. This set of explosion-proof warning lights can all be connected to a safety alarm